Hello guys, welcome again back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make the pant trouser of this two-piece outfit. Okay, so it's going to be an elastic waist pant trouser. It's very simple, just totally simple. You won't believe it. And we're just going to get to it now. So this is the print I'm going to use. So in my previous video, I've actually done the drafting of the upper parts, the notch collar jacket, and also the sewing part. Super easy, beginners friendly, guys. You won't believe it. I already have it linked up in the description. So this is the my fabric. I've already folded it into four. Yes, into four, because I'm going to be cutting out for both the front and the back. It's that simple. And what I have here is my desired length. Just measure your desired length and add some extra inches on the lowest part for the hemming allowance. So on the top part now, the first thing I'm going to mark now is just 2 inches. So this is going to represent the elastic casing. So that's what I'm marking out there. Then from that line now will become my startup line. I will indicate 9 inches as the hip line. Okay, I'm taking note of that. Then the next is going to be the crotch depth. So for me to get that crotch depth, I'll divide my hip circumference into 4, which is 44 divided by 4, that's 11. I will add 2 inches to that, and that is 13. That's what I'm marking down there. So I'm going ahead to mark a straight line. So the next thing I'm going to indicate now is the new length there. So from that top, I'm measuring 18 inches. That is going to start as my new length. And of course, the next is going to be the hem line, okay? Yes, so that's just it. Like I said, your desired length, which is what I have here. I'm using a length of 40 inches plus some extra, hemming allowance there. And that will be it, guys. So this is it, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do now is, of course, to go ahead now and label it all. So we have that's the waistline, the hip line, the crotch depth, the nail line, and of course the hem line right there. Okay, so this is it, guys. So the next thing I'll do now is to create a shape for my pant trouser, a side shape. Okay, so on that lowest part, I'm going to go up by 1.5. On the top part, I'm going to go up by half inches or 0.75 inches. Then these 2 points, I'll connect them all to the hip line. So this automatically give us what? The shape of our trouser by the sides, okay? So you can see this now. I'm going ahead to connect the points together, and that is it. So from this line we have just drafted now, you're going to what? Take every measurement that you need. Now, on that my hip line, I will indicate the hip circumference of 44 divided by 4, that's 11. Going ahead to mark extra 3 inches. Then this point, I will just connect it all the way to the waistline and also the crotch line. Yes. So you know it's going to be an elastic waist, so there's no need of fixing the waist measurement there because the elastic will bring it together. So now on that crotch line now, I will now take another 3 inches, which is going to serve what as my crotch. Okay. Remember, we are cutting both the front and the back piece together. So that is it, guys. It's that simple. Then for the knee line and the hem line, I'm just going to use the same measurement I have for my hip line there. So all I need to do now is just to take that line straight down to the end. Okay. Yeah. So you can see I'm going ahead to connect my points now all the way to the hem line, and that is it, guys. Can see this. All right, so then on that crotch line, I'll just connect it to the new line, and that is it, guys. It's very simple. I mean, you can see this. So we're done here. We're totally done. So the next thing, of course, is to go ahead and cut this entire piece out. Guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate that a lot, okay? And don't forget to on your notification bell so that you always get notified every time I upload my weekly videos on this channel. Thank you so much, guys. So this is it, guys. So going ahead to open this up, this is what we have. Remember, they just together, they are just the same thing, both front and back. So I'll go ahead now and sew the crotch like so. So I'll use my pin now to quickly demonstrate that. So this is just how the sewing goes. Just sew on that crotch line there. We'll do the same thing for the other side, okay? Yeah, so once that is done, I mean, you already see the shape of the trouser is already out, right? So the next thing, of course, is to take the other piece. Okay, you can see how it looks. So take the other piece and place it over it, right side to right side. Then we'll go ahead and sew the side, but just make sure it's well aligned. Okay, just make sure you arrange everything properly. Then go ahead and sew the side from the top to the hem of the trouser, the other side. Then for the crotch, just match up the 2 crotch lines together and sew it all the way to the end as well. Then the next, of course, is to go ahead and hem the lowest parts. That will be it, guys. guys. Then of course the final thing now is to create a casing with that 2 inches we marked earlier on. Just create a casing and we'll go ahead and fix the elastic with this 1 inch size elastic, and guys, we're done. It's that simple, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Like, honestly, we've come to the end of it all. Thank you for joining me. Hope you find this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.